Hi, I'm happy to see you. Do you know that you can set mail alerts to any event you'd like to be informed of? And so you won't have to check back now and then to view monitored items updates. Today I'll show you how to do that and so you can stay as hassle-free as possible. You can set mail alerts of updates in your folders, videos and profiles page updates, trending videos alert, and even set alerts with top charts of your choice. Go to any of your folders and switch the alert to receive reports of its summary with daily, weekly, and monthly frequency. As simple as that. This will save you plenty of time and provide most accurate reports of items updates within. Say you don't need a particular video in any of your folders, yet still you want to monitor its performance. You can switch the mail alert on and receive daily, weekly, or monthly report of this video statistics. The daily alert will contain statistics from last 7 days. Weekly alert delivered on Monday will show you updates of statistics from last week, whereas monthly alert will give you previous month's statistics update and will hit your mailbox the first day of the following month. Same thing with the profile you'd like to stay on track with. Enable alerts with desired frequency and get its updates directly to your mailbox. You can even set multiple alerts to one particular profile or video, one with weekly update, but also a monthly one just as well upon request. If it's a YouTube profile page, then you can set trending video alert that will notify you whenever any of these profiles videos appear in YouTube trends. If you want to set mail alert to the top profile chart of your selected settings, then this is how you can do it. Define country, category, type or subtype. Then apply desired sort like the chart with most popular or liked profiles, totals or gains values, and then switch the alert with daily, weekly or monthly frequency with updates from the requested period here. You can set any chart settings and request alert of any period. The same way can be done on top video charts. Again, apply your filters and sorts upon request. Define the frequency and the time frame of the chart's alerts. Set as many alerts as you wanted. The only limit here is your plan allowance. Where to check available alert slots? Head to your dashboard and it's all here. To view all the alerts you're receiving already, select the email alerts from the menu here and add it accordingly to your needs. Change the time frames of requested alerts or disable ones that you don't need anymore. Released slots will go back to your account for further use. So that's it for mail alerts. Make sure to watch other videos from our channel and I'll see you next time.